Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. In this video we are going to continue practice set 2.2. In practice set, in previous video we completed from example 1st to 6. Now in this video we will continue remaining examples. Now here example number 7 is based on activity. Example is square root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 square root of 2 is equal to 0. To solve this quadratic equation by factorization, complete the following activity. Already solution is here, only we have to fill the blanks. If some steps are missing, we have to do in rough and then write or fill boxes only. Now let's see here. It is the equation square root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 square root of 2 is equal to 0. Now here factors, square root of 2x square first term, 5 square root of 2 last term, and here we want factors of 7. We have to split 7 such way that now the rule we know, product of first and last. Here first term is square root of 2, in rough I explain here, square root of 2 is first term and last term is 5 square root of 2. Now do their product. What is product here? Square root of 2 into square root of 2, 2, and 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Now product of 10 factors, we want factors such that product should be 10 and sum should be 7. Okay, then which are factors of 10? 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 7. Therefore we have to replace this by 7 by 5 and 2. Then here we have to write 5x and here we have to write 2x in this way. Okay, first step is over. Now here direct it is given there, bracket common and everything. From that we have to take common now. What is common from this group and from this group? Common from this group, here is square root 2, here is 5. Therefore we cannot take common from square root 2 and 5. Then x common, only x. From x square and x common. Then in bracket what is left there? From here square root of 2, from here x, sign plus, from here 5. Okay, first bracket we got. Here from this, now here is 2, square root of 2, and here is 2, square root of 2. Now here this 2 we can write as square root of 2 into square root of 2. In this way we can split this square root 2 and this 2. And from this now common is root 2. From here this and this. Then what is left here? Square root of 2x plus 5. Okay, here. Now say common bracket, this is common bracket will come here, square root of 2x plus 5, common bracket, and uncommon here is equal to. Now after separation here we have to separate it, x value, minus 5 will go there, minus 5, and root 2 will divide upon root 2. It is the value of x, and here it is given already root 2. Therefore what is the answer here? Minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2 are the roots of equation. It is activity based example. Dear friends, next example number 8. I write in solution again, 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now first rule is that we have to multiply first term, coefficient of first term and last. Means the first term, coefficient of first term is 3 and last term is 2. 3 2s are 6. Product is 6. Now factors of 6 such that product should be 6 and difference or sum should be 2 root 6. Therefore here we can write as root 6 and here root 6. If you check, you see product. Root 6 into root 6, 6, and root 6 plus root 6, 2 root 6 here. But what about sign? give always middle term sign to bigger factor. Both are same. That's why here I am writing middle term sign to bigger. If product is positive, same sign will come here. And if we add here minus 2 root 6, what is variable? X. Okay, see here minus 2 root 6, and their addition sum is also minus 2 root 6. Now we have to replace this middle term by these two. We have to put in place of this term these two terms. 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x, here last term plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we got here 4 terms. We have 4 terms now. We have to take common. But before that, if you can directly take common, then okay. If not, you do some factorization there. What to do now? Here and here. These two are irrational. These are rational. What we will do? We will write all these in irrational. Then it is easy. See how to. 3 we can write as root 3 multiplied by root 2. Correct? 3 2s are 6. Square root of 6, sorry, here 3 is there, no? Root 3 as it is, only root 3. This we have to write. Root 3 into root 3 in this way. Right? We can write this 3 as root 3 into root 3. Correct? 3 3s are 9. Root 9 means 3. Minus here also root 3 multiplied by root 2. 3 2s are 6. X here means our first group is this. First group. We converted this rational into irrational. This also we factorize it. Same way here, minus root 3 multiplied by root 2. 2 3s are 6. X plus, and this also square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is equal to 0. Now it is easy to take common. Now common, see here, square root of 3, square root of 3. It is common now. Okay, x is left here. Square root of 3, square root of 3, see it is common. From this, here is x square. X square and x common. Then what is remaining means uncommon. From this group, root 3. From this x square x, sign minus, it is common, it is left, root 2, it is already out. This is uncommon. Common root 3x and uncommon this one. Same way from here, minus. What is common here? See, root 3 is here but not here. Root 2 is here, root 2 is here. Means common is square root of 2. X is here, not here. That's why x is not common in bracket. Now it is out. What is left? Root 3x. We have taken minus sign out of bracket. That's why this sign will change. Minus. It is out. What is remaining? Square root of 2 is equal to 0. Again we get one common bracket. This bracket is common bracket again. Square root of 3x minus square root of 2, common bracket. Uncommon right in second bracket. Uncommon is root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Uncommon. Now separation. Square root of 3x minus square root of 2. Both are same. Here you see, same bracket, same bracket. We get same value is equal to 0, or root 3x minus square root of 2 is equal to 0. Square root of 3x is equal to square root of 2. Transfer order. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 2 upon square root of 3. Then you can write this in the same sign, square root of 2 upon 3. If we solve this, we get the same. That's why no need to write 2 times, same value 2 times. Therefore, here we can write here now. Therefore, square root of 2 upon 3 is the root, is the solution, or is the root of equation. Dear friends, let's see example number 9. 2m in bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. Then let's solve this bracket first. 2m square minus 48m, this 50 bring here, minus 50 is equal to 0. It is standard form. But again, can we do it in simple way? Can we write this example or this equation in simple way? Here is 2, here is 48, here is 50. Means we can divide by 2. We can divide by 2 to all three terms. If we divide by 2 here, we get only m square. If we divide by 2 here, 24m. If we divide here, 25 is equal to 0. And it is quadratic equation in the variable m. Okay. Now method you know, we want to replace middle term by another. Therefore for that, product of first coefficient of first term m, here 1 and here minus 25, therefore minus 25. That is the first rule, that we have to multiply coefficient of first term and last term. Factors of 25, sum or difference should be 24. Therefore here 25 ones are 25. Middle term sign give to bigger factor. Middle term sign give always to bigger factor. If product is negative, opposite sign. Now its subtraction is minus 24. Means it is correct. And variable is m. Now replace middle by these two. Replace middle term by these two. M square minus 25m plus 1m minus 25 is equal to 0. Grouping. After grouping, common out. Common from this and this, m common. In bracket, uncommon, m minus 25. Here plus. Common from 1 and 25, 1 common. M is here, not here, that's why m is not common. If we take 1 common, then terms as it is. M minus 25 is equal to 0. Now we get again one bracket common. Therefore m minus 25 is common bracket. Uncommon right in second, m plus 1 is equal to 0. After that, separation of the bracket. M minus 25 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0. Last, m is equal to 25 or m is equal to minus 1. Therefore, what are roots now? Therefore, the roots of equation are 25 and minus 1. In this way, by factorization, we can solve this example. Now let's see example number 10. Now we solved 9 examples and this is 10th example. What is difference here? Let's convert this into standard form. 25m square minus 9 is equal to 0. What is difference between 9 examples, those we have solved, and this 10th? In those 9 examples, there were 3 terms, means that these examples were of type trinomial. That's why middle term we replaced by another factors, right? But here are only 2 terms. If there is trinomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have to split that middle term. But here are only 2 terms, and if there are 2 terms, you remember 2 options we have. If there are 2 terms, we have 2 options. First option, take common out if it is possible. Common out if it is possible. If we cannot take common from, then you use difference formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. You have to use this formula if you cannot take common out. That is for binomial. It is binomial, that's why. Okay, if it is possible to take common out. If it is not possible to take common out, then you use difference of square formula. You know formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. First term plus second term, first term minus second term. Now see here, can we take common or not? Here is 25, here is 9, we cannot take common. Here is m square, here is no m, we cannot take common, means first option is not. Then second means we have to use difference formula, and for that you convert them into perfect square. You write these two terms in perfect square form, square root form, means bracket square, perfect square form. What is square root of 25? 5. What is square root of m square? M. Bracket square. Now it becomes perfect square. Means a square. It becomes now a square. Sign minus. What is square root of 9? 3. Bracket square. It becomes perfect square is equal to 0. Now it is in this form. A square minus b square. First term square minus second term square is equal to. This is now in that form. And now you have to use this formula for that. Now here will be two brackets is equal to 0. In first bracket their sum means addition, and in second bracket their subtraction. In first bracket addition, now do addition, write addition, how to write? 5m plus 3, and in second bracket their subtraction, 5m minus 3. We used this formula here, this expansion here. Okay, now we got two brackets, now separation. 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, bracket if you give or don't give, it doesn't affect on that. Now separation, 5m transfer order now is equal to minus 3. Therefore, m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. One value we got. Or 5m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3 upon 5. See, these are the roots. Therefore, we can write here the roots of equation are minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. This is factorization method. Dear friends, let's see example number 11. 7m square is equal to 21m. Write in standard form. 7m square minus 21m is equal to 0. Again here are two terms. It is same to that of 10th example. Here are two terms. It is not trinomial, it is binomial. If there are two terms, we have two options. I told, first common out, not possible, then difference formula. Can we take common here? Here is 7, here is 21. Yes, we can take 7 common from this, and from variable m square here is m, then m common. Okay, now in second bracket uncommon, non-common. What is uncommon here? 7 is out, from m square m is out, m in bracket, sign minus, 7 3s are 21, m is out, is equal to 0. If we can take common out, then no need to use this. Okay, now separate. 7m is equal to 0, or m minus 3 is equal to 0. Then what is here? M is equal to 0 upon 7, m is equal to 0, first value, or m is equal to 3, second value. Therefore, these are the roots now. The roots of equation are 0 or 3. That is for which binomial? For binomial, this example. Okay. Dear friends, now let's see example number 12. This is the last example of this practice set. M square minus 11 is equal to 0. Again two terms, binomial. Take common. If it is possible, take common, otherwise difference formula. Can we take common? No. We cannot take common, then difference formula. And for that we want both terms in perfect square. M square means we can write here m bracket square, means it is perfect square, minus it is not perfect square, then I write in square root and then I do bracket square. 11 I wrote like this, root 11 bracket square. Root 11 bracket square means 11. Why did we write like this? Because we want both the terms in perfect square form. M square means perfect square. It is not perfect square, that's why I wrote like this. And now formula, in first bracket addition, second bracket subtraction is equal to 0. First bracket addition, add them, m plus root 11. Second bracket subtraction, m minus root 11. Separate, m plus root 11 is equal to 0 or m minus root 11 is equal to 0. Last step, m is equal to minus root 11 or m is equal to plus root 11. These are the roots. Therefore, the roots of equation are minus root 11 and 11, root 11. In this way we completed here practice set 2.2, that was based on factorization method.